Morning everyone. My name is Suryabhan Yadav. Regarding the feedback to OnlyIAS Institute, I have used Udan magazine for art and culture and I have revised it multiple times. It has been useful for the prelims. Secondly, I appeared at OnlyIAS for mock interview, and the panelists were asking questions from a lot of areas covered by DAB, the current affairs, and also a lot of HR based questions are being asked. That itself reflects the diversity of questions that have come up to me. Uh, Thirdly, the feedback was for around 30 to 15 minutes, which itself shows the seriousness that the faculty and interviewers have taken for me. And the time they have allocated was very useful for me. Lastly, one of the faculties with OnlyIAS have also mentored me in terms of he was sitting behind me and observing the entire interview very consistently. So he has given me very apt mark that is required for an individual to improve their interview skills. Thank you.